Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Facebook Messenger chat hats. First guys, chat hats are circular profile icons that overlay other content on the screen when you receive a new message on Messenger. Tap on one and you can read the full conversation in pop-ups, as well as respond without leaving any app you're currently in. They remain available even after sending a reply, so you can quickly return to the chat without having to open Messenger. Now guys, I'm gonna show you that. First, go on the profile section on your left upper side and then scroll down and search for Bubbles. After that, click on that and turn it on. Go back. And now guys, you know how to turn on Facebook Messenger chat hats. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure that you hit that like and share the video. And if you have any questions, comment down below. See you soon.